Sharpen.
Sharpen.
Mài, làm cho lưỡi sắc bén hơn.
He sharpens the knife.
He sharpens the knife. Wash.
Wash.
Rửa.
Be sure to wash the fruits before eating them.
Be sure to wash the fruits before eating them. Peel.
Peel.
Lột vỏ.
She peels the orange.
She peels the orange. Chop.
Chop.
Chặt, băm nhỏ.
He chops the vegetables.
He chops the vegetables. Slice.
Slice.
Cắt lát.
She slices the banana into thin pieces.
She slices the banana into thin pieces. Dice.
Dice.
Cắt thành hạt lựu, khối nhỏ vuông.
Dice the potatoes into cubes.
Dice the potatoes into cubes. Mince.
Mince.
Xay nhuyễn.
She minces the meat with a grinder.
She minces the meat with a grinder. Grate.
Grate.
Bào, nạo.
He grates the cheese.
He grates the cheese. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Vắt.
She squeezes the lemon to get juice.
She squeezes the lemon to get juice. Weigh.
Weigh.
Cân.
Weigh the flour on the scale.
Weigh the flour on the scale. Soak.
Soak.
Ngâm.
Soak the strawberries in water.
Soak the strawberries in water. Tenderize.
Tenderize.
Làm mềm.
He tenderizes the meat.
He tenderizes the meat. Grind.
Grind.
Xay, nghiền.
He grinds the coffee beans by machine.
He grinds the coffee beans by machine. Crush.
Crush.
Giã, nghiền nát.
I crush the garlic in the kitchen.
I crush the garlic in the kitchen. Cut.
Cut.
Cắt.
He cuts the fish into small pieces.
He cuts the fish into small pieces. Break.
Break.
Đập, làm vỡ trứng.
Break the eggs into a glass bowl.
Break the eggs into a glass bowl. Mix.
Mix.
Trộn. Hành động kết hợp các thành phần một cách đều đặn, và mục đích là để các thành phần hòa quyện vào nhau.
The chef mixes the salad.
The chef mixes the salad. Stir.
Stir.
Khuấy động.
She stirs the soup.
She stirs the soup. Whisk.
Whisk.
Đánh bông.
She whisks the eggs and milk together.
She whisks the eggs and milk together. Blend.
Blend.
Xay, nghiền, trộn nhuyễn.
I blend fruits and yogurt to make a smoothie.
I blend fruits and yogurt to make a smoothie. Knead.
Knead.
Nhào bột.
She kneads the dough for the bread.
She kneads the dough for the bread. Roll.
Roll.
Cán, lăn, cuộn.
She rolls out the dough with a rolling pin.
She rolls out the dough with a rolling pin. Sift.
Sift.
Lọc, trây.
She sifts the flour through a sieve.
She sifts the flour through a sieve. Bread.
Bread.
Tẩm bột.
She breads the chicken before frying it.
She breads the chicken before frying it. Marinate.
Marinate.
Ướp.
She marinates the salmon with pepper and salt.
She marinates the salmon with pepper and salt. Put.
Put.
Đặt.
Put the frying pan on the stove.
Put the frying pan on the stove. Add.
Add.
Thêm vào.
She adds chocolate to the coffee.
She adds chocolate to the coffee. Boil.
Boil.
Đun sôi, luộc.
The water is boiling.
The water is boiling. Drain.
Dry.
Để ráo nước, làm khô nước.
Drain the pasta after boiling it.
Drain the pasta after boiling it. Stir fry.
Stir fry.
Xào.
Stir fry the vegetables for 2 minutes.
Stir fry the vegetables for 2 minutes. Simmer.
Simmer.
Hầm, nên nhỏ lửa.
The soup simmers for a few minutes.
The soup simmers for a few minutes. Steam.
Steam.
Hấp.
She steams the dumplings in a food steamer.
She steams the dumplings in a food steamer. Fry.
Fry.
Tráng, chiên.
He fries the eggs.
He fries the eggs. Sear.
Sear.
Áp chảo.
He sears the beef.
He sears the beef. Bake.
Bake.
Nướng trong lò thường nhiệt độ ổn định và vừa phải. Thực phẩm thường dùng bánh mì, bánh ngọt, bánh quy, pizza.
She bakes cakes every Sunday.
She bakes cakes every Sunday. Roast.
Roast.
Quay, nướng trong lò ở nhiệt độ cao hơn và trong thời gian dài hơn. Thực phẩm thường dùng cho những miếng thịt lớn hoặc nguyên con, rau củ nguyên củ.
They roast a turkey in the oven.
They roast a turkey in the oven. Grill.
Grill.
Nướng trên vỉ. Nhiệt độ thường rất cao và tập trung ở bề mặt tiếp xúc với vỉ nướng. Thực phẩm thường dùng thịt, cá, hải sản, rau củ, thường cắt lát.
He grills chicken in the backyard.
He grills chicken in the backyard. Broil.
Broil.
Nướng trên là phương pháp nướng trong lò chỉ sử dụng nguồn nhiệt trực tiếp và mạnh từ phía trên. Nhiệt độ rất cao và thời gian nấu thường ngắn. Phương pháp này thường dùng để làm chín nhanh bề mặt hoặc tạo lớp vỏ giòn cho thịt, cá hoặc rau củ.
He broils sausages in the oven.
He broils sausages in the oven. Scramble.
Scramble.
Đánh tan, trộn lẫn. Thường chỉ hành động đánh tan và nấu trứng một cách nhanh chóng, tạo ra hỗn hợp không đều.
He scrambles eggs for breakfast every morning.
He scrambles eggs for breakfast every morning. Melt.
Melt.
Làm tan chảy.
Melt the butter over low heat.
Melt the butter over low heat. Cook.
Cook.
Nấu.
The chef cooks the food.
The chef cooks the food. Layer.
Layer.
Xếp lớp.
Layer the pancakes on the plate.
Layer the pancakes on the plate. Spread.
Spread.
Trải, phết.
He spreads chocolate on the bread.
He spreads chocolate on the bread. Pour.
Pour.
Rót vào.
She pours the milk into the glass.
She pours the milk into the glass. Flip.
Flip.
Lật.
He flips the food in the pan.
He flips the food in the pan. Sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
Trát.
Sprinkle the top of the dish with some pepper.
Sprinkle the top of the dish with some pepper. Garnish.
Garnish.
Trang trí.
Garnish the cake with fresh strawberries.
Garnish the cake with fresh strawberries. Make.
Make.
Làm.
He is making pancakes.
He is making pancakes. Brew.
Brew.
Pha chế.
He brews a cup of coffee.
He brews a cup of coffee. Serve.
Serve.
Phục vụ. Dọn món ăn.
Serve the soup hot.
Serve the soup hot. To set the table.
To set the table.
Dọn bàn ăn. Bày bát đĩa.
I helped my mom set the table before dinner.
I helped my mom set the table before dinner. Clean.
Clear.
Lau dọn.
I usually clean the kitchen after I finish.
I usually clean the kitchen after I finish. Taste.
Taste.
Nếm.
He tastes the soup.
He tastes the soup. Smell.
Smell.
Ngửi.
He smells the fresh herbs.
He smells the fresh herbs. Eat.
Eat.
Ăn.
She eats a burger.
She eats a burger. Bite.
Bite.
Cắn.
She bites a bar of chocolate.
She bites a bar of chocolate. Chew.
Chew.
Nhai.
She chews gum.
She chews gum. Swallow.
Swallow.
Nuốt.
She swallows the pill.
She swallows the pill. Sip.
Sip.
Nhấm nháp.
She sips the hot tea slowly.
She sips the hot tea slowly. Drink.
Drink.
Uống.
She drinks water.
She drinks water. Dip.
Dip.
Nhúng chấm.
I like to dip my fries in ketchup.
I like to dip my fries in ketchup.
Cảm ơn các bạn đã xem hết video. Hãy đăng ký kênh và nhấn nút chuông để đón xem các video tiếp theo nhé. Thân ái mến chào các bạn.